Hello friends, this is Rakesh. In today's video, we will be making a coaster of Donald Trump. Oh, sorry, not Donald Trump, yeah. Donald Duck. And for that, we need to have an SVG file which we have already created in last video. If you have not watched, just see the link below. So for importing the SVG file, we will need to go to inserts, then insert the SVG file. As we know that our SVG file is in our computer, so we will insert from the computer, then click on the SVG file, open. Now it is asking on which plane we wanted to place the file, so we will be placing on this, I think front file, yeah, front plane, sorry. So we will check, we will be making a cost of around 100 mm, so let's check whether the size is okay or not. So I think it is okay. Now place it, then do it okay. Now finish the sketch. We will extrude the parts which will outline Donald Duck's image. So let's select the parts, this one. Slowly need to click it. Okay, this one. We can remove this one, no problem, because it will not create any problem. Let's select all the parts. Yeah, this is done. This, his cap, yeah, pretty much, yes, pretty much everything we have selected. Now provide the thickness of 1 mm is, I think, okay. 1 mm, fine. Now we will need to create the base, because otherwise it will not stick together, because every part is an individual part. You can see there, this is the individual, this is some other parts. You can see there are so many bodies, so to use it we need to create a base for that. So let's click to backside and click on the face and create sketch, then create a circle by pressing C, and I think this much is the, let's try to make it center. Okay, let's dimension this 100 mm, good. Now let's see whether it is in center or we need to manipulate a bit. I think yes, this is pretty much the center. Yeah, some bit offset will also do the work, but it is okay. So let's do that. Now extrude. So select this. We need to select every part and make it 3 mm. Yes. So our coaster is ready. So friends, I will provide the link for the strl files. If you have the 3D printer, you can print it by yourselves, and if you are an enthusiast, you can design yourself. So this is it for this video. So till the next time, bye bye.